what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bruna. So today is an exciting video. I have a bunch of expensive lipsticks right here. These are YSL lipsticks, super pricey. Last time I tested out some expensive lipsticks, which were from YSL as well, they were different. You guys really loved that video, so I thought I would do it again. These are the matte slim lipsticks that they have. I've literally only tried one. They're in a Ziploc bag because they sent this to me in PR, but the box broke on me. I was looking on Sephora's website. These are an Allure Best of Beauty Award. I think it was Allure Best of Beauty 2019. I think these came out in are these 2019? I don't know if they came out in 2019. I can't remember, but I was excited. I was like, okay, so they're not only $39 for each lipstick. Yes, I said $39 for each lipstick. It also has, you know, a reward. But sometimes Allure Beauty, I love Allure Beauty, but sometimes some of the stuff they say is bomb isn't really that bomb. But I mean, it's still a really good way to guide what you purchase and what you don't purchase. So I just wanted to give you guys a first impression on some regular girl impressions. I wanted to give you my regular girl impressions on what I think about a $39 lipstick, and should you spend $39 on one lipstick. First and foremost, I will say that the packaging of this is super beautiful. It's sleek, it's gold, it's nice. You pull this out of your purse and everyone's like, dang, that's a pretty lipstick. It's very, very uniquely shaped, which I love. If you guys see that, look at that. Look at that new unique shape right there. It's very uniquely shaped. So 05 is Peculiar Pink according to Sephora, their website. For some reason, it's not on the lipstick. It's on the site, which I think is weird because you have a high-end lipstick and you should have, like, you know, the actual name on it. So you guys, look, that is so pigmented. I just pressed it against my lip and I really like the shape. Like, it has that, like, that straight edge corner. And it's literally easy to slide on. Oh, this lipstick is pretty. I like this pink. It's like a nice, deep red pink. Super pretty. So this shade is 14. It's a electric pink. It's called Rose Kiltrex or Rose Cursec. I don't know. It's very French. I can't pronounce it. French people have the most beautiful language, and I am so sad that I butcher everything that is French. I butcher it. Like, I don't know how to speak. I will say that this is more sheer than the last one that I tried. I feel like when you do corally or electrical pinky stuff, it does tend to have less of coverage. It's a little bit more sheer, but this actually looks really nice on my skin tone, especially for a brown girl. I did not think this electrical pink will look that good on me. It does make my teeth look a little yellow though, even though I have like pretty good whitening teeth issues. Like I whiten my teeth too much. And it's really comfortable. It's like a soft matte comfortable, but then it's just so bold. It's really nice. So guys, this is a 10. It's a rich color. It's a rich coral color, which is pretty cute. I love it. What I like that it's not that pigmented. I like that it's like an orange like this or a coral that's so deep like this. I wouldn't want it to be that pigmented because I feel like it would look a little too clowny, but this looks really good. This is number 1. This is a bright red. Oh, I'm so excited to try this one. It's such a pretty red. Look at that. It just looks so pretty. Like I said, it is a little bit of a challenge. I think you can line it, use the edges to like line the lips. Oh, I just want you guys to know I'm super messy when it comes to putting on lipsticks. Yeah, I like to try on lipsticks. I'm literally my own trigger when it comes to lipstick. It's like I never get it even, and then when I try to even it, it gets worse and worse. Okay, so it's not like a super opaque red. It kind of has almost a see-through red look. Like kind of once you've worn red all day and it kind of has like that pretty flush tinted deep color. That's what your lips look like. This is actually really pretty. It looks really nice. It's really bright. It has a much more orange undertone to it, but it's super pretty still. shade number 17. It's called Nude Anatomy, and it is a cool beige, which is pretty cool, like a cool beige, so it's gonna have a cool undertone. Let's see. It has nude. You can't have these lipsticks too high because they kind of like don't have as much support. You just need it to be that big right there. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's so pretty. I feel like a supermodel with this lip color. I feel like supermodels always rock this color. That is such a pretty color. I love this color. I didn't even need a lip liner for this. It looks so good. Even on my tan skin tone, it looks really, really good. I love it. I love when I can wear a lipstick without a lip liner. I think this is the color that won the award. I don't think everyone won the award. I think it's the color that won the award. I'm not 100% sure. But I'm intrigued to see what tangerine looks like. That looks so good on my skin tone. This is literally a brown girl friendly lip. Oh, it looks so good. I wouldn't wear it with this makeup. I would probably wear like just like some gold lids, or even just some nude eyeshadow on the lids, or even no eyeshadow and just this on the lips and just some really good dewy makeup. Fire. This is number 24, so this is a pale nude. I'm really scared of putting this on my lips right now because it's called pale nude. I have super pigmented lips. I've canceled out a bit with some foundation concealer type thing. I'm really scared of putting this on my lips right now because this is so not, I feel like it's just not for me. Like that shade, no, it's not gonna look good on me. I'm gonna need a lip liner. Look at that. Horrible. It does not look good. This is horrible. I don't care what nobody says. Nobody can tell me that this looks good. Nobody. Not even my dad. Not even my mom. I know, you know how parents think you're just the most beautiful thing in the world? My parents would lie to me. Because I know, I can just tell. Nayar, my husband, will lie to me. He'll be like, that's such a cute lip color on you. He's lying. I should test him to see if he likes this lip color on me. He's lying. With a lip liner, this will probably look really good. Like a really nice, cute lip liner, and like blend it out. It's gonna have like an ombre look to it. This will be a really good color. Brick Red. I don't think this collection has a very nudie vibe to it. It's a lot of bold colors. I should have thought about that before I went to go try this on, and I should have moisturized my lips the night before, but you know, the girl didn't realize I was gonna be doing this. So we're gonna go in with this. This is a Brick Red, and it looks really pretty. Oh shoot, this is gonna be fire. Well done, because I'm already getting tired of trying on so many lipsticks, but this looks good. That is a stunning lip. This is a pretty Brick Red. I am here for it. It is called Red Enigma. Woo, that's pretty. The next color is going to be this pink beige right here. Oh, I like it. This is a nice peachy nude. But you know why I still can't say peachy nude? It's not luxe enough, right? So they gotta go pink beige. I think this is a lip color you gotta do like a full face for. You gotta have foundation on, you gotta have bronzer on. This will look really nice. I'm liking this. I really like this number 11, and it's a pink beige. It's called Ambiguous Beige. Ambiguous Beige. Next color is Coral Red. Oh my gosh, my lips are so raw right now because there's just too many reds. So this color, this is Coral Red. I'm not a big fan of any color that's coral red, but let's try it on. The colors are getting a little repetitive now, but I feel like every color can go with its shade. You know, the person with the shades, you know? Anyways, goes with shade matching. I'm losing my thought now because I am delusional because my lips are burning. That's actually really pretty. I was expecting it to be more on the corally side because usually whenever brands come out with like a red coral. It's too orangey. This is actually really nice. I like it. It's not my favorite on me. I think I'm more into the brick red. That brick red looks way better on my skin tone. But I feel like if you have a deeper skin tone, like your NC50, a deeper skin tone, you're like one shade darker than me, this will look really good on you. So this is number 8. It is fuchsia. I hope I'm saying it right. Yeah, right away I can tell you I'm not feeling the fuchsia. It's not pigmented enough. Like, look, I'm gonna go in thick. It's just not pigmented enough. It's a little too bubblegummy pink for me. Not bubblegum pink, but like, you know how they have like those magenta fake bubblegums? That's what it looks like. I don't really like this color on me. This is 18. It's called Reverse Red. So I guess it's not actually red. It goes like backwards into red and turns into like almost a deep black. This reminds me of a very vampy shade. Yes. Reverse red. That is gorgeous. Reverse red is gorgeous. I'm here for it. Sorry, it's a sloppy application, but this is gorgeous. Wow, look at that. You need reverse red in your life. You literally need reverse red in your life. This color I'm trying on is 21. This is a deep red. Oh my gosh, there's so many reds in this collection. Or maybe they sent me all the reds. I don't know. But this is deep red. It's super, super pretty. I love it. So nice. It's my favorite now. Okay guys, so I've tried on 12 of the colors. There's actually 24 colors and I've only tried on 12. That's what YSL sent me, just to let you guys know. This was sent to me in PR, but all of my thoughts are always 100% my own thought. Y'all know I'm too much of a honest person. I don't know how to lie, so I always give my honest opinion. So I want to be very honest with you guys. This collection has a lot of reds. It has a lot of reds. It has a lot of oranges. The nudes are not that many, and when there are nudes, the nudes are much more of a bold nude. I think the only nude that wasn't that like bold was the pale nude, but all the other nudes are a little bit more bolder, which is something that I really, really love because I love a bold nude, especially if you have brown skin, you need a bolder nude, right? So there's a lot of reds, and I feel like majority of the red colors looked really, really good on me. The corals were a hit or miss. Some of them were really great. Some of them were not that great. If I'm going to pick a coral color from here, I'm going to go with the tangerine color because that one was like really, really nice on me. And the reds were just so great. The brick red was really good. The reverse red was like my favorite. So there was really, really good reds. My biggest thing and my biggest pro to this whole collection, the Slims by YSL, is for a $39 lipstick on a brown girl, higher end, these lipsticks look really good. I'm gonna be really real. I always thought YSL was more for a fairer skin person, and I never really saw myself in any of their brands or any of their products. And for the first time, I want to say that in this product, in these lipsticks, I see my shades. I see colors that will look good on me, and I'm putting it on and it's looking amazing on me. So I'm so happy for that. I'm so glad that I'm starting to see myself. I'm starting to see fellow brown girls wear higher end makeup because they're actually making things for us now. I'm always about change and progressiveness, let go of the past, as long as everybody's progressing towards the positive and unifying all of us and just making it a much more inclusive environment in the beauty industry, period. That's like what I care about. I think these lipsticks are 5 out of 5. I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 5, you guys, because I'm just gonna do that. They're pigmented, they're really nice, they're comfortable to wear. They don't budge, they're not like moving, so when I was trying to wipe them off, I had to really work to wipe these off, and that hurt my lips. That's why my lips are burning right now. So I'm gonna give these a 5 out of 5. They're super good. If you can't get every color, I mean, no one's saying to get every color. Test out a color. I think the reds are such a classic red. Everybody needs a good power red lip. So go ahead and test, get yourself treat yourself to a powerful red because you're powerful, you're strong, you're worth it. Everything will be linked down below, all the colors, everything I tried on. I'll even like kind of run down my opinions on what colors were brown girl friendly. So if a color is brown girl friendly, I will put it in parentheses for you guys and say brown girl friendly. If it's not, it'll just not say anything on there. So yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for staying with me and watching the whole video, and I love you guys. See you in the next one.